completed the term 1, isn't it? Yes. Today we are entering the second term. Do you understand? Yes. So actually the first 5 chapters we completed, isn't it? In the first term, 5 first chapter. Then the second term we are going to start a new chapter, that is fraction. Okay, chapter 6 onwards. Okay. So the 6th chapter is fraction. Okay. Yes. In the fraction, actually in last year also you learned that fractions, right? Yes. Like fraction, non-like fraction, then proper fraction, improper fraction, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So first one is finding equivalent fraction. First one is finding equivalent fraction. Then second one, reducing a fraction to its lowest term. Then third one is comparing fractions. Then fourth one is multiplying and dividing fractions. Okay, these 4 subtopics we are going to learn in this chapter. Do you understand, children? Yes, first one is finding equivalent fraction. Then second one is reducing a fraction to its lowest term. Then third one is comparing fraction. Then fourth one is multiplying and dividing fraction. These fractions actually you learn in fourth standard also, isn't it? Yes. Now just recall what we have learned in 4th standard. Okay. Yes. See, first reduce the following fraction in their lowest term. So how to reduce the values? The fractions are here means the fraction is 4 by 10. 4 by 10 means how to reduce. You know already, you learned, isn't it? Yes. Here that in the fraction, then this value is what is that? That is the numerator. Then down this value is, that is the denominator, isn't it? Yes. How to reduce this value? We can reduce means we have to divide that value. If you divide means what we have to do? We have to use the same number, isn't it? Yes. So here these two numbers, the multiples of which number? We can use the second table, right? Yes. If you use 2. If you are dividing by 2 in the numerator means we have to divide it by 2 in the denominator also, right? 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, what is the answer? How many times 2? 4. How many times 2 will come? Second table 4. 2 times only, right? So that means 2 is the value. Then the denominator 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 means 2 how many times 10? 5 times, right? Yes. So the lowest term is 2 by 5. So 4 by 10, the lowest term is what? 2 by 5, right? Yes. Same like see here 12 by 24. Divisible by 2, right? We can use second table or third table also we can use it because 4 times 3 is 12, here 8 times 3 is 24, right? So we can use third table, right? Yes, we can use third table. Here numerator divided by 3 means denominator also we have to use 3. Okay, 12 divided by 3, what is the value? 3 how many times 12? 3 4 times, right? That means 4. Then divided by, then 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 means 3 how many times will become 24? 8 times, right? 8. Again you can see here both numbers are even numbers, isn't it? So this number is, these two numbers we can divide it by which number? It is divisible by 2, isn't it? So again we can divide it by 2, right? So if you are divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, what is the value? 2 times, right? 2. Then 8 divided by 2, 4, right? Again we can use it, right? So second table, here also we can use second table. So 2 divided by 2 how much? 1 only. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2 only, right? So the lowest term is what? 1 by 2. 12 divided by 24, the lowest term is 1 by 2. Now do you understand what is lowest term? Yes. See, next one is convert the following fraction into mixed fraction. So it's here convert the following fractions into mixed fraction. Here that improper fraction is there, right? Improper fraction. So we are going to convert into mixed fraction. How we can convert? Yes, we have to divide that value, long division method, right? So 28 divided by 5. We are going to divide, right? Yes, if you divide 5, how many times? 28, before 28, how many times will come? 5 times, right? 5 5s are 20, how much will come? 25. What is the next step? Next step is you have to subtract that value. So 8 minus 5 is 3, right? So how we can write this mixed number here? This is the improper fraction, right? Improper fraction we are going to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. So first you have to write the quotient value. Okay. Quotient is 5. Then the denominator value 5 only. This is the value. Okay. 5. In the numerator value, that is the remainder. Remainder you have to write in the numerator. Understand? This is the remainder value. You have to write it in the numerator value. Denominator same 5 you can write it. Else the divisor is the denominator value. Do you understand? Yes. The second question, 42 divided by 8. 42 divided by, divide 42 divided by 8. So in the table before 42 how many times it will come? 8 times 5s are 40, right? 8 times 5s are 40. Yes. Then the next step is what? What is the next step? You have to subtract the value. 2 minus 0 is 2, 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. So how we can write the next number here? Here that quotient you have to write it first. Okay. Quotient is 5. Then the denominator value 8 only. That is the divisor, right? 8. Then the remainder is the numerator. Okay. Remainder is what? 2. 2 is the remainder. We can check this answer is correct or wrong. How we can check? Just multiply this number. 8 times 5 is how much? 40. 40 plus 2. How much? 42. So we are getting the numerator value, right? Here also you can check it. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 3, 28. So 28 by 5. Now do you understand? Yes. See the next one. Next one is convert the following fraction into improper fraction. Here that is the mixed fraction, right? You are going to convert it into improper fraction. How we can convert? Just multiply these two numbers. You have to see here 2, 4 by 5. This is the mixed fraction, right? Yes. Just multiply these two numbers first. So 5 times 2 is how much? 10, right? Then 10 plus numerator value 4 divided by 5. Divided by the same denominator what value you have, same number you have to write in there. So 10 plus 4 how much? 14. So 14 by 5. That is the improper fraction. Do you understand? So 10, first you have to multiply this denominator and the whole number. Okay. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Okay. 10 plus this numerator value, that is 4. Divided by the same denominator. Okay. Then 10 plus 4, 14. 14 divided by 5. This is the improper fraction. This is the improper fraction, right? Yes. Next is, see this 3. 2 by 7. 3, 2 by 7. How to do? We have to multiply first denominator and the whole number. Okay. Denominator and whole number. Multiply 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is how much? 21, right? 21 equal to 21 plus, which number we have to add? Numerator value. That is 2. Divided by 7. Understand? So 21 plus 2 how much? 23 divided by 7. This is the improper fraction. Proper fraction means what? Proper fraction means numerator less than denominator. Okay, the smallest value will come in the numerator. That is the proper fraction. Okay, this is improper fraction. Do you understand? Yes. Next is solve the following. Solve the following means you have to add or subtract the like fractions. Okay, like fraction means this denominators are equal means that is like fraction. If the denominator is different means that is unlike fraction, right? Already you learned in grade 4, right? Yes. So these fractions are like or unlike fractions. These fractions are like fractions because denominators are equal, isn't it? Yes. So denominator is equal means easily you can add these two fractions. What we have to do? We have to add the numerator value, right? Numerators only you have to add the numerator values. See 8 by 10 plus 5 by 10 can add 8 plus 5 divided by 10. 8 plus 5 divided by 10. 8 plus 5 how much will come? 13, right? So 13 by 10. Do you understand? Easily you can add that. Only you have to add the numerator value. So that is a improper fraction because the numerator value is greatest value, right? Yes. Next question 24 here, subtraction. Subtraction means you have to, addition means you have to add that numerator value. Subtraction means you have to subtract the numerator value, right? Yes. 24 minus 17 divided by 11. 24 minus 17 divided by 11. 24 minus 7 how much they will come? Yes. So 24 minus 7. 7 only, right? 7 by 11. Here proper fraction you are getting, right? Yes, now we are going to discuss about equivalent fraction. Okay. Yes, what is equivalent fraction? How to find equivalent fraction? Okay. Yes. See, equivalent fractions have the same value even though they may look different. Equivalent fractions means that is the same value. Okay. Even though they may, the shape is, that they look different. Okay. Then are sometimes called equal fraction. Then have different numerators and denominators. Numerator and denominators are different, right? Then because when you multiply or divide both the top and bottom by the same number, the fraction keep its value. Okay, because when you multiply or divide both the top and bottom, if you are divide or multiply the fraction means you have to use the same number, numerator and the denominator. Keep in your mind. Okay. Yes. See here. Here the piece are here half of the part, right? 1 by 2. Here actually it's divided into 4 pieces, right? Now total number of pieces you have to write it in the denominator, that is the 4. Then how much left? Only 2. So that is that. But we can see here both are equal. So these two fractions are equal fractions. Okay. Then see here total number of parts here how much? 8. How much left? 4 pieces left, right? See the same size, right? See these 3 fractions are now equal fractions. Do you understand now? Yes. See the rectangle shape. This is the shape. Which shape? This is rectangle shape. Isn't it? Yes. So it is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. So total number of parts 3. How much it is shaded? Only 1. Equally it is divided, right? So 1 part only shaded. That's why here 1 by 3. But same rectangle shape, it is divided into how many? 6, right? It is divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts shaded into 2 parts, right? See these 2's are equal only, right? So these 2 fractions are now equal. So here how many times it is? Double time. If you use here second table, 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, right? So these 2 fractions are equal fraction, right? Then same like here also. Now see here the same rectangle, it is divided into how many parts? 12, right? 12 parts but shaded into 4 pieces, right? So this equal only, right? Look like that, look like same only, right? So that is these 3 now, these 3 fractions are equal fractions. So 1 by 3 you can use it with this how many times? 4 times. Here 2 times. 1 say 2 second table if you are using means 1 2 is 2. Then yes, 1 2 is 2. Then 2 times 3 is how much? 6. But same fraction we are using how many times it is? 4 times, right? So 1 times 4 is 4. Denominator multiply 4th table. 4 times 3 is how much? 12. So these 3 fractions are equal fractions. Do you understand now? Yes. See here equivalent fractions. This is the shape. It is divided into 2 pieces, right? So this here 1 by 2. Here total number of pieces 2. 1 by 2, here 1 by 2. If you add that two parts 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, you will get 1, right? Yes, see here 1, 2, 3. 3 parts, right? That's why denominator is 3 here. Here 1 part, here it is divided into 3 equal parts. Okay. Here 4 equal parts. Here 5. Here 6. Here 8 parts. So same shape divided into 8 parts. Right? Equal parts. Here 9. Here 10. So these fractions are equivalent fractions. Right? To find equivalent fractions, multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. If you want to find the equivalent fractions, means what you have to do? You have to multiply the same number in the numerator and the denominator. Now see the example, finding the equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. 2 by 3 we can use it easily, right? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into, now here using the fourth table. We can use second table also, third table also. So here fourth table means 2 times 4 are how much? 8. Then 3 times 4 are how much? 12. So now these two fractions are equivalent fractions. 2 by 3 and 8. 2 by 3 equal to 8 by 5. Right? So how to find an equivalent fraction? To find equivalent fractions, divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. That is the concept. Please keep in your mind. To find the equivalent fractions, divide the numerator or multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay. You have to use the same number. If you are using third table means you have to use the third table numerator and the denominator. If you are using fifth table means numerator and denominator you have to use it both sides. Numerator and denominator you have to use the same number. Okay. Should not use the different number. The numerator third table, denominator fourth table means that is wrong. Please keep in your mind. Okay, children? Yes. So here division 18 divided by 36. So these two numbers it is divisible by 3. Right? Third table we can use it. So 18 divided by 3 means it will come 6. So same number 36 divided by 3 means it will come 12. Then again we can divide, right? 6th table. So 6 how many times? 1 time. So it will come here once. Here 6 how many times? 2 times. So 12 divided by 6 means 2. Now do you understand? So these three fractions are equivalent fractions. This is division, right? So this is the tip. What do you do to the top of the fraction? You must also do the bottom of the fraction. That means, so which number you are using? The same number you have to use in the numerator and the denominator. Right? Multiply or divide. If you are divide or multiply, you can use same number only. Both numerator and the denominator. See the first question. 2 by 5 equal to dash by 10. So denominator 10 is there. So which number it will come both? So here we can check 5 how many times 10? 2 times. So we are using the second table. So if you are using second table, denominator means numerator also you have to use same table. That means 2 into 2. That means 4, right? 4 by 10. It will come 4 by. So numerator and denominator same number multiplied, right? Multiply by 2 in the numerator and the denominator. That's why 2 times 2 are 4, 5 times 2 are 10. Understand? So here 5 by 6 equal to, in the numerator is given 25. 5, how many times 25? 5 times. So here they are using the fifth table, right? So 5 times 5 are 25. So denominator also you have to multiply by 5. That means 6 times 5 are 30. Right? See what is the equivalent fraction for this fraction here? That is 3 parts are there. But how many parts are shaded? 2 parts, right? That means 2 by 3. The fraction is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means equivalent fraction here, which is the equivalent fraction 5 by 9, 6 by 12, 4 by 14, 8 by 12. Which is the correct option? Yes, 8 by 12. 2 by 3 means 2 into 4 how much? 8. Then 3 into 4 how much? 12. 8 by 12, isn't it? Yes. So here division 18 by 8 by 16. 8 by 16 means, so 16, here 4 is the denominator value. So which table they used? Fourth table, right? Yes. If you divide the denominator 4 means numerator also you have to divide it by 4. That means 8 divided by 4 equal to what? 2. Then 16 divided by 4 equal to what? 4, right? Yes. See here 12 by 18. Here the numerator value 2 is there. So which table they use? Sixth table, right? So the 12 divided by 6 equal to 2 means denominator also you have to divide it by the same number, that is 6 only. So 18 divided by 2. 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. 18 divided by 6 equal to what is the value? 3, right? So the fraction is 2 by 3. Now these two fractions are equivalent fractions, right? So what is the equivalent fractions for this fraction? See here, total number of squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6 shaded part 3, right? 3 divided by 6. 3 divided by 6 means what is the answer? So we can divide it by 3, right? So 3 divided by 3 means what it will come? 1. So 1, then 6 divided by 3 means 2. That means the answer is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now do you understand? Yes. I hope you understand this concept, the equivalent fractions. Now you know how to find the equivalent fraction, right? Yes. So now what you are going to do, your homework is page number 68. The revision exercise 1 to 4 questions are there. Okay. Then page number 69, do it now question. Only 2 questions, finding the equivalent fractions. Okay children, please try to complete these 2 questions. This is your homework. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Okay children? Okay, thank you. Bye.